Friends, here we are going to see how to install A2M editor, and after that we are going to see how to use your A2M editor to run your Python scripts. Friends, first of all, as an automation engineer, you should be good with your command line to use your Python. I mean, to write your Python script, you have to use VI or VIM editor, and then you have to run your script from command line itself. But anyway, you have some GUI editors to write your Python scripts and to run your Python scripts, right? See, the advantage with your any GUI editor is you can write your code and then you can run such that the code and the output you can see in a single window. That is the advantage with your GUI editors. That's it. Fine. Now here we are going to see how to install your A2M editor first. Guys, nothing is there. It's very simple. Just open your browser and then enter a2m.io. Then enter. Then directly you are going to redirect into a page where you can see download option for your Windows 64-bit or the 64-bit Windows 7 or later. Just click on this, right? So to download this, it will take some time, and you are going to download .exe file. So first you have to save this file. I'm going to cancel it because already I downloaded that file. You just download this. Then let me open my download folder. There I have already my A2M setup for 64-bit server, right? Fine. So guys, now what you have to do is just double click on this, right? So it is going to set up, or it is going to install this A2M on your server, on your PC, right? It will take some time. You have to wait some time to complete this setup, right? So up to that I'm going to mute. Once it is done, then we'll go with the further steps. Please wait, and meanwhile you just try to do your installation simultaneously on your server, right? Fine. So it will take some time to do setup to install your A2M. You have to wait. It's starting, right? The progress you can see on your taskbar, right? A2M is being installed. It will launch once it is done. So once if your A2M is installed, automatically it will launch that A2M editor, right? Fine. So guys, I'm going to mute. Just observe that it will take some time. It will take almost 2 minutes, guys. You have to wait for that. So meanwhile, you just download your A2M from your a2m.io website, then try to install, right? See guys, to install your A2M, right? Just I'm going to give steps. Anyway, the process is going on. First, open your browser, right? Then enter URL, that is a2m.io. Then there you will have a download option. Just download that. Download A2M, right? It is a .exe setup. Once it is downloaded, right, then double click on that and wait some time, because it will take some time to do that setup, right? Let me see the progress. Still it is taking some time. Friends, you have a lot of GUI editors like Sublime Text, PyCharm, A2M, right? You can use any one of the editor. So most of the cases I will use Sublime Text, but it is a licensed one. But A2M is the open source. You can directly download and install. But whereas in Sublime you can download and install, but you need a license to activate a full version of your Sublime Text. That's why please don't go with Sublime Text, but of course I'm going to use that. But please try to use A2M in case if you want GUI editors. Of course, you're also having PyCharm as well. That is also a good one. You can use PyCharm as well, right? Fine. Your installation is done. Now it is going to open your A2M editor. It will automatically open. You just wait some time. That's it. Okay, fine. See guys, once it is open, right, go to file, go to your file, and here we have a settings, where it is settings. Now in settings you have somewhere themes. Suppose if I select a theme, see that you have different options. UI theme, that means this entire window theme, you can change it for your different theme. Suppose I am going to take one light. See that? But I don't want to use this theme, just use default theme. That's a good one. But if you want, you can take anything. A2M dark, that's it. And then let me close all of these editors as of now. Then let me open new file, or you can directly, if you click here, yeah, it is opening, right? So let me write some simple Python script. Just simply I'm writing print welcome to A2M GUI editor, right? And then save. While saving, please mention .py extension. So I am writing suppose demo.py. So already it is there, no problem. I want to replace that. Fine. Now see that you are getting some color for your Python script. Now if you want to change this editor theme, nothing is there. Again, just go with your file, then settings, and then themes. So here you have a syntax theme. You can select here different theme. Let me apply base 64 tomorrow light, right? Now open your file. See, now you have a different theme here, right? But if you want to use default, you can use it. Or if you want to change any other one, let me take settings. So I'm going to take suppose this one. Now see here, that's it. Okay, fine. Guys, after saving your code, if you want to run your Python script, just press Ctrl Shift and B. But as of now, it is not running. The reason is automatically your A2M editor, right? Yeah, now you got it. Welcome to A2M GUI editor. So you got this because already I have a previous configuration details. That's why you're getting this. Let me show you that. Settings, then go with the install, right? So here search a package called script. See that already it was there with my host. That's why automatically your A2M fetched that. So if you search with the script, you will get this script run code in A2M, and then you will see here option like this one, install, right? But I already installed that. That's why it is able to show that settings, uninstall and disable, right? Suppose if I disable this, that means assume that there is no script package with my A2M editor, right? Now if I try to run, see that you won't get any output. Now your script can't run. So not only for your Python, if you want to run any type of script which was supported by your A2M, to run that script, first of all you need to install a package called script. So just select install and then come here, search for a script package, right? See, already it was there with my host. That's why just I'm enable. If it is not there, you will get option like install. You have to install it. It will take some time, guys. Nearly 2 to 3 minutes it will take to install your script package. So what is the use of this package means? This package will automatically identify the Python version which is there on your operating system. whatever the Python version you install on your operating system, that Python will be set for your A2M editor to run your Python scripts. And your A2M editor is going to identify your Python based on your environment variables. If you remember, while installing our Python, we set some environment variable or path for your PC by selecting properties, advanced system settings. Then in environment variables, we have a path, edit it. See that Python 3.7 version was selected for your operating system. The same Python will be used by your A2M editor with the help of script package. Nothing is there, guys. Once if you install your A2M, simply go to file, then settings, and then go to install, and then search a package called script, and then it will display a script package something like this: script, some version, run code in A2M. Just install that, right? So after that, just select your Python script by clicking on your editor, then press on your keyboard Control Shift and then B. Now it is going to run. See the output in the below? You're getting your output here, right? So what is the Python version this A2M editor is using? So as of now, you don't know about modules, right? There is a module called sys with your Python. Using that, you can able to find out the version of your Python which is running your Python code, right? Let me run it. Control Shift B. See the output 3.7.0. In case if you modify your path to some other version of your Python here, automatically that Python will be used by your A2M editor. That's it, right? Fine. So after installing your script, after testing your Python script whether it is running successfully or not, just close it, right? See guys, once if you install your Python, you may get some shortcut for your A2M editor on your desktop. If it is not, just click your start. So see here, you will see some A2M editor. Just click on that. Then it will open your A2M editor, right? You are going to open your A2M editor. Yes, it's opening, right? So suppose if you have already some Python scripts and if you want to run those Python scripts using your A2M editor, you have an option called file. Just select your folder, open folder, select that in which location you have your Python scripts. Let me go with one of the location. Sorry, let me select. Okay, let me select day 3. That's it. Now inside that, in case if you have any Python scripts, all those scripts are going to open here. Now directly what you will do, see that, let me select some of the Python script called, suppose this one. Just double click on that, you are going to get your Python script here. Then click there and then Control Shift B. Right now you are going to get your output here. See that invalid syntax? Yeah, maybe this is Python 3, right? I'm using maybe Python 3, 13th line. Yeah. So here I need a parenthesis here. Save it and then run it. Control Shift B. Yes, you got your output, right? That's it. So guys, after installing your A2M editor, what is your next step is, if you want to change some themes, you can change it, but no need of that. Directly you can use default themes. Then install script package on your A2M. So how to install this? If you install this, then only your host Python software will be identified by your A2M and the code in your A2M will be run by that Python software in your A2M editor. So to install script package, right? Package name is simply script, guys. What you have to do is go to your, see that, file, then select settings, then in that select install, then you will get a search bar. So search with script, then you will get a script package. So there you have an option called install. Just install it. That's it. Then after that, you just to close your A2M and then reopen, right? So one more thing, once if you install your A2M editor, right, automatically you may get shortcut of your A2M on your desktop. If not, no problem, just select your start and then click here so that it will open your A2M editor. That's it, right? So guys, going forward, I may use most of the cases Sublime Text because for presentation purpose that is good, right? But you can practice your codes using your A2M, right? And also try to write the code using VI or VAM editor and try to run your code from command line as well, right? If you are looking for automation engineer, that is the best option actually. For application development, something like that, actually these GUI editors are good because for application development, you'll have some number of folders, some number of applications. Each application will have some URLs, some views, some DB models. That's why different files you have. So maybe you're going to work at different files at different times. That's why it is easy to select here your required files with GUI editors, right? So anyway guys, you have number of editors, just select based on your choice, go with your required or your favorite editor and try to practice your Python scripts. Okay, okay guys, thank you for watching this video.